Hello guys, this is Ryan and today I would like to tell you how to fill up the form, the Legion Étrangère form, which is the pre-registration form for the recruitment. And we don't know why it is, but it is called for the post COVID-19 recruitment. And there are some details which I think they are going to call you if you are nearby Europe, because I will describe you how to answer it, how to respond it, and from where you can find the form. This form you can easily find on www.legionrecruit.com. Okay, so once you go on there, you will see this formula. Formula means this a type of form, and it is written, this document is not an authorization to enter the national territory. This is pre-registration form implemented as part of the resumption of post-COVID-19 recruitment. It means that whatever if the waiting and whatever happened, the lockdown. So this is the reason. This is the form that they want to get a notice that okay, you want to apply. They just want to know about you. So there is a date written JJMM. JJ means jour means day, on which day you are writing the form, and which month, 2020. So you can write today's date, whenever you want to apply. Name, you can write your name in the full majuscule, you write your name in the majuscule, capital letters, and the whole name, the entire passport name. See, the first name is written down. First name, like my name is Rehan, so I will write Rehan. Ansari is not my first name. Lieu de naissance, the place of birth, where you are born as per your passport. So write your passport birth. Nationality, Indian, Chinese, whoever you are. The date of birth, Pays means which country you belong to. Write your email ID is very very important. Okay, the email ID @dash.com. Okay, your telephone number with your pin code W0091, the postal pin code as well. Put your whole address as per the passport, wherever you are available. Put that address. Your will, your city, put the city, in which city you are you from, and again you write the country. Then zip code postal. There's always a zip code postal. It's a kind of number of your area. In whichever state you are, there's a number on that. Okay, like our number is 401107. So you can ask, even in your passport you can find the number, zip code. One very important thing to be noticed, it is written, are you present in France? Are you in France? So if you are in France, that means they are going to call you. So you can write that if you are not in France, you can write no. If you are in France, you can write yes. And object of the request, recruitment information. Okay, object of the request. So there might be an option, from where did you get this form, or why are you interested, something like this. There might be an option. What is the object? Maybe you want to become a legionnaire, so you can write that. Ready to start, there's a box called ready to start the process. So it means that when are you going to start the process, when you want to really start. So if you really are ready in your mind, and you can put today's date as well. So select place of meeting, where you want to meet. If you are in China, write China. Okay, maybe embassy gonna call you or something like that. And you are available from which country you will be leaving, something like that. If you are from China, Beijing, so you can write Beijing, you will be available from Beijing, something like this. And observation to bring to the attention of recruiters. This means you have to describe about yourself and what you want to tell to recruiters about you, who you are, what is your age, and why you really want to get into FFL, and are you just want to they want to know about your strength points. Don't write something really bad like any weak point. And there is a whole thing, there's a statement here, and this is the black point. So on the www.legionrecruit.com, You have to write the whole thing and then press the black button. Okay, once you press the black button, this is gonna be submitted, and then we don't know when you will be called. So hope for best, and this was the video by me. If you are really interested in joining Friends for Religion, if you really want to go ahead and learn the psychometric data, understand guys, soon the lockdown gonna be end and things gonna be start. So be aware of things, be aware of things that your time is coming soon, and get start yourself, get ready. And if you're really interested in learning our PDFs, please contact on our email ID. Thank you. Bye bye. Salut.